what up there, you are watching Atmosphere, and in this video we are going to solve ISO to elevation 3D visualization question that is asked in NATA and IIT Mains paper 2. So these are the 5 questions that we are going to look on for this video. So this is the first question that we are going to solve. In this question, an ISO will be given and the arrow will be given and 4 options will be given to see the elevation from the direction that is shown in the arrow. So now we will jump over to this model and now we will find the elevation of it. So this is the model, and now when we will shift to the right side, then we can see that we got the elevation here. When we look on the options that are given in the question, we can see that option A is matching with the elevation that we got here. So the answer that we got is option A. The second question that we have to do, and here is the 3D that is given and the elevation is given here. So now we have to find the elevation from this side. Jump to the 3D model. So when we are going to look from this side, the elevation would be like this. So this is the elevation that we will get, and from the option that is given here, C is the correct answer for the elevation, as this elevation matches with the elevation given in the option. This is the third question that we are going to look on. So here is the 3D and the option is given here, and we have to find the elevation from this direction. Let's jump to the 3D model. So we have to find the elevation from this direction, and this is the model that is given in the question. So we will see it from the side. So this is the elevation that we are going to get. So this is the elevation that we are going to get, and from the option that is given, B is the correct answer, as the elevation in the model is matching with the elevation given in the option. So now we will discuss this question. So these are the 2 questions that is asked, and the difference is that the elevation is asked from the different side. One elevation is asked from this side and the other elevation is asked from this side. So we will first look the first question, and we have to find the elevation from this side. So now we will move our camera to this side, and we can get that this is the elevation that we are getting from this side, and the answer for this question is B. But for the other question where the elevation is asked from this side, we have to move the camera here, and we can see that the elevation that is from this side will be like this. So a question can be framed into 2 questions by giving the different side to find the elevation from. So one side is this and one side is this. And for the other question, the answer is C, as we can see that this is matching with the option given here. So this is the other question, and 2 questions are framed, and for one we have to find the elevation from this side, and for the other we have to find the elevation from this side. So for the first, so from the right side we can see that the elevation that we will get will be like this, and the answer for this will be B. While when we are looking at from this side, the elevation would be like this, and the answer for this will be D. So these are the 2 questions that is framed from this single model, and we have to find the 2 elevation. So that's all for today's video. So after watching this video, you are clear with how to find the elevation from the given ISO. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel to get more content like this for your preparation of NATA and IIT Mains paper 2. So see you next time.